previous video, I unboxed the brand new Spectre Folio from HP, and in this video, on location, I'm going to show you why it's become my favorite laptop to travel with. Stick around, this is Wrestling with Tech, where I wrestle with tech so that you don't have to. There are so many laptop choices out there, but you've got to find the right laptop that's right for you. Now, I travel all the time, and obviously I consume a lot of digital media, whether it's streaming, whether I'm video editing or listening to music or editing photos, and I've absolutely fallen in love with the Spectre Folio from HP. Not only, obviously, does it not even look like a laptop, it just looks like an ultra premium notebook with a pen on it. But when you open it up, it's just so lightweight and portable. And look at this beautiful screen. It's full HD, it's got a backlit keyboard, it's got sound from Bang & Olufsen, and it's just so premium. I have truly loved using the HP Active Stylus, whether I need it for writing down in OneNote, whether I'm playing games. It really has become something that I have truly enjoyed using. And it also has Windows Hello. This is the type of laptop that you would actually expect to find at some luxury retailer somewhere, along with handbags and all sorts of other leather goods. But I just love that HP has decided to live by their slogan, keep reinventing, and that's exactly what this is. This is a reinvention of the way that we compute, the way that we carry our technology all over the place. So I want to take you on a quick tour so you can see around the computer, so you can see all the ports that you have. It's really a USB-C centric computer, so you will need dongles for things like USB-A or if you want to plug anything else in, but that's quite all right. The laptop actually is included with the laptop is one USB dongle. So you can purchase more pretty much anywhere, they're readily available. But let me take you on the tour of the laptop so you can see exactly what it looks like. Right over here, you're going to find two USB-C ports. On the other side, you have another USB-C port, and right above it, you have the headphone and microphone jack. So those are the ports that the laptop has. It obviously also has the HP TrueVision HD webcam, which is enabled for Windows Hello, so you can sign into Windows using your face, which is a really nice feature as well. You have a beautiful full HD screen that, of course, is touchscreen, and it's so fluid, it really brings the computing to a whole new experience. If you've never used touchscreen, I can't recommend that your next computer definitely be a touchscreen if you do not currently have one. Let's talk about the specs of the computer, because there's a couple different configurations that you can get the Spectre Folio from HP in. So this computer is fantastic. If you need something that's ultra powerful, it absolutely can fit the bill there. If you need something that's ultra portable, it is that indeed. I absolutely love taking this into meetings and seeing people's faces when I open it up and they see that it's actually a notebook inside of this beautiful premium feeling leather. And that's the same type of experience that you're gonna get every time you take your Spectre Folio somewhere. So with the limited time that I've had, the couple weeks that I've had with the Spectre Folio HP, I have to say it is definitely one of my favorite laptops of all time. It's just so absolutely unique. It's beautiful every time you look at it. I can just never get enough of looking at it and actually feeling how great the quality of the leather is. And then I really didn't think I was going to be using the Active Stylus as much as I do currently, and I love the fact that it's actually positioned there because I can just take it out and it always has a place to go. So I can't recommend this enough. If you're interested in getting more information about it, I'm going to link the link to this video if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're watching this on one of my other social media networks, Facebook or Instagram. I'll make sure to throw up a link so you can get more information about the Spectre Folio from HP. So if you found this video helpful, you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, and make sure to follow me on social media. It's On The Air Alex on Facebook and Instagram, and AlexHP4QVC on Twitter. Until next time, I'll see you right here on Wrestling with Tech.